Hello everyone, welcome back to Unwire. I hope you are having a wonderful day. Today we are going to learn something very interesting. Have you ever said words like boy, girl, school, or India? Did you know these words were called nouns? Today we will learn about common nouns and proper nouns. By the end of this lesson, you will know the difference between them and use them correctly. So let's begin. What is even a noun? Because we learn about common nouns and proper nouns, we first need to know what a noun is. A noun is the name of a person, place, an animal, or thing. Look around you. Can you see a book? Can you see a chair? Can you see your teacher? All these are nouns. Easy, right? Now let's learn about common nouns. Now that we know what a noun is, let's begin about a special kind of noun called a common noun. A common noun is a general name. It does not tell us the exact name. Look at these examples: boy, girl, city, school, dog. These are common nouns. If you want to put them for real proper nouns, it'll be some boy, if it's their best friend, and if there's a girl, and a city like Calgary, and a school like you can say Turtle, and a dog like you can say Roger. That could be a name for it. These are common nouns because they are general names. For examples, if I say boy, I can mean any boy. If I say school, I can mean any school. So that means it's a common noun. Now let's discover proper nouns. We have learned about common nouns. Now let's make our sentence more special. A proper noun is the special name of a person, place, animal, or thing. Look at these examples. Or a HULAIC. I'm not C. SHA. India, Delhi, and River Nile, Monday, Christmas. These are proper nouns because they are special names. Remember, this is an important rule. There is one important rule only. A proper noun always begins with a capital letter. India, and INDIA, RAHUL, or capital RAHUL. Okay, that was good. Always remember to use a capital letter. Sometimes when I study, I forget it a lot of times, like 20 million times. Bruh. Let's compare them. Now let's compare common nouns and proper nouns. Common noun, city. Proper noun, MUMBAI. You say Calgary. Okay. Common noun, girl. Proper noun, Sarah. Common noun, river. Proper noun, River Nile. Can you see the difference? The common noun is a general name, but the proper noun is the special name. Let's practice together. Okay, there'll be a surprise on the end, and you got the surprise right now. Okay, I'm going to do a little show with my fingers. Okay, let's practice together in the dream. Yes. Hey, we need to wear our tracksuit. Jump. 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 Okay, done. Yes. Let's go to and go. Yes, I'm excited. Me too. Yeah. Let's go. That was fast. we are doing a track test together too. That was the show I was like telling you, because next is just the quick recap. So on the last topic of this topic, if I will say a word, you tell me if it is common noun or a proper noun. This is like a quiz. You'd say tiger. Yes. Good job. Common noun. Australia. Good job. Correct. Proper noun. Teacher. Correct. Common noun. Royal. Correct. Proper noun. Excellent work. So let's do a quick recap. Yeah, what the okay, that was funny, but let's just do a quick recap. Today we learned a noun is the name of a person, place, animal, or thing. A common noun is a general name. A proper noun is a special name. And a proper noun always begin with a capital letter. 4 things. Fantastic. Still you did a good job. Yay! Great job, everyone. Now you know the difference between common nouns and proper nouns. Keep practicing with the things around you every day. If you enjoyed this lesson, like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to Unwire, join our Telegram channel for more learning videos. Thank you for watching. That was not the thing. See you in the next lesson. Bye everyone. But first I want to tell you, you need 4 things. Like, share it with your friends, even with other people, and subscribe to Unwire. The most important thing. Okay, and join our Telegram channel for more learning videos. Bye